Alright, I'm going to go over right now about this database we have going here. I'm going to change the type of system we're running eventually here soon. But this, for now, you're going to have to learn the gist of it. This is your part number. This is your description. Every part is going to have a part number on it. If it doesn't, it's basically worthless unless I know exactly what it is. But here's an alternate part number. Some part numbers have 2 part numbers. Some parts have 3 part numbers. One will be a manufacturer part number. One will be a aircraft part number or an aircraft manufacturer part number. This is a condition code. You have new, used, which is as removed condition. You have new surplus. You have serviceable. You have overhauled condition. You have repaired condition. You have, I'll give you a list of the condition codes. It's kind of messed up because ILS, this company, does different condition codes than PartSpace, this company. You have the location, the bin location. I just recently made this column. It is a serial number location. This is a cost location, how much it cost us to purchase or whatever cost we have in the part. This is the total cost, which is that times quantity equals total cost. Market price is what it's going for on the market, a generalized market price. Sometimes you can't find pricing, like if it's as removed, you can't find as removed pricing. This is just a starting point. This isn't a for sure price that it's being sold on the market, because the market price changes all the time. Total market price is market price times quantity. Core price, that is, you have a exchange price and a core price. The core is the used part that we get from the customer. Exchange price is the amount that you can sell it for exchange, to where people want to do exchange a lot of times to cheapen the cost of their parts. Instead of buying a part outright, they're going to do exchange. And then list price is like the highest price that the manufacturer charges. Usually it's the highest price. And this is the paperwork column. I list if these parts come with 8130s or just a tag or removal tag. This is the remarks section. Just different information that we've accrued over the period of a few years. This is the eBay. Usually we put the eBay price in here and mark it with an orange. The rest, there's nothing else on here. But when you're entering in a new part, is going to be different than editing. When you add something, like say if we haven't entered it into the database yet, like we just got it, you want to highlight one line and press Control C, or right click and do copy, and then right click again, insert copied rows, and it just copies that one line. That way you don't have to put, all these have formulas, that way you don't have to make new formulas each time you're entering in a new part. And then just edit whatever part number it is and description, blah, blah, blah. And then if it has a alternate part number, condition, quantity of the items, and what's the bin location if it has a serial number. And then we will come up with a cost based upon a bunch of different factors. And then you want to research the part on first Google, then go to part space, type in the part number and search. And then you can search on eBay. There's multiple tools that we use to figure out market pricing. If you ever screw up on this database, all you have to do is press Control Z as in Zeta, and it undoes the last thing you did to it. There's going to be a few different, like I said, research tools. eBay is a good one. You know, I'm sure this won't work out, but we'll search for a part. Control C to copy up anything. Control V instead of right clicking and on something. Since that part wasn't in parts or eBay, I'll just go to Google and Control V to paste the same part number, press enter, and you can look at it. Okay, so this is the touch screen. That's, well, it shows up as a harness. So that was a bad example. We will search this one, Jackpads Commander. We'll see if that, of course. Our website came up. Anyway, I'll make another video about searching, doing research on parts.